Tuesday with Stefan.
How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have a very cool app that you must have on your iOS device, and the app is called Clean My Mac X. This device is very helpful if you need to clean your Mac for, let's say, some files, old files that you have, for junk files, and so on. I know many people now probably going to say that iOS doesn't need antivirus, but you need, because this is very cool app, and it's not heavy app, works pretty good. And one of the feature that I like a lot is the option to uninstall directly from here, as you can see. So if I want to uninstall an app, I can do it from here. But not just that, you can do a lot of stuff from here, which is pretty good. One of the cool thing is that you can do crazy stuff like check for malware, check for very old files, pictures. The app is pretty good, and if it's anything, we'll show you here, which is very nice. Um, as you can see, system junk, photo, malware, also iTunes as well. Basically checks for everything that you need, which is pretty good. Um, Let me show you the main website, and then we're gonna clean the Mac together just to show you how it works. Let's go to Google. Let's go to Clean My Mac. I'm going to leave the official website on the descriptions down below. So if you have a time, check the main website, and you'll see yourself that this is very good, and it's very helpful as well. As you can see, have a look the website, see all the details that you can find here. And since I got the app, actually my Mac works pretty good. The MacBook that I'm using at the moment is the 2015, the high spec version of the MacBook Pro, which is I'm super happy this machine, even it's a, well, from 2015, end of 2015, still works pretty good. So yeah, this is the application that you need for your Mac iOS. Let me, but before that, let me show you. Obviously, you can download the trial version and try yourself. But let me show you the prices quickly, because I think many people will they want to know how much is, if it's very expensive. I have this version here, which is pretty good. Obviously, this is I'm based in UK, so in USA it's gonna be different price. But as you can see, 30 pounds, which is, I think, is pretty good. I mean, end of the day, if you want to protect your files, this is very good application for your Mac. As you can see, this is UK prices, but I'm gonna put some USA prices down below in the description, so make sure you check that. Okay, so let me open the application one more time, and let's do a clean together to see. I do like the interface, it's very clean, very tidy, very good. Let me do full screen and let's scan. As you can see, this works pretty good. And yeah, Safari is open, so I'm gonna quit Safari. Make sure you quit all your applications before you do any clean. Amazing. As you can see, everything is being cleaned up. There's no any files, as you can see. Junk removed. That's pretty good actually. Protected, 3 tasks. I mean, there you have it. This application is must for iOS. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and like it. My name is Stefan and I'm going to see you in my next video. See you next time and be safe.